Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a geometry problem. Given information is an quadrilateral with A, B, C, D. AB length is 9 units, BC length is 5 units, CD length is 12 units, and AD length is 10 units. Our goal is to find area of this quadrilateral. Let's see how to solve. Observe this quadrilateral. If you draw a diagonal from D to B, then this diagonal divides this quadrilateral into two triangles, isn't it? So if you find the area of the two triangles, then after adding these two areas, then you're going to get your total area, isn't it? So that's why now our goal is find the area of ADB triangle and DCB triangle. So therefore area of the quadrilateral, that is equal to area of the ADB triangle plus area of DCB triangle. So let's find out these two area of triangles. First let's find out this DCB triangle. In DCB triangle we have a base 5 and height is 12, isn't it? So area of the triangle, the formula is half into BH. Base the length is 5 units, height the length is 12 units. After cancelling, then you will get area of this DCB triangle is 30 square units. Now we need to find this ADB triangle. For this we know only AD length and AB length, and we don't know this DB length. So for that, observe only this DCB triangle. It is an right angle triangle, isn't it? So if it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem here. According to the theorem, this is the 90 degrees. That means this is the angle. So this angle opposite side is 12 units. Adjacent side is 5 units. And DB length is hypotenuse. So according to that information, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So 12 square is nothing but 144. 5 square is nothing but 25. After adding, then you will get 169. The h value, this is h square value. The h value is 13 units. This is dB length. Now we found this dB length, that is 13 units. To find the area of the ADB, here this is not a right angle triangle. We know only sides. So using these sides, we are going to find the area of the triangle. How can you find? If you know all the sides, you can use the heron's formula, that is square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. So here s is nothing but sum of the sides divided by 2. This is a, so that means the opposite side is small a. This is b, that means the opposite side is small b, and this is obviously small c. So our a is 13 units, b is 10 units, and c is 9 units divided by 2. After adding and dividing by 2, we will get 16, that is your s. S is 16 units, s is 16, then s minus a, that is 16 minus 13, which gives 3. Then s minus b, that is 16 minus 10, which gives 6. Then we have to find s minus c, that is 16 minus 9, which gives 7. So area of the ADB triangle equal to square root of s times, which is 16 times s minus a, that is 3, then s minus 6, that is s minus b, that is 6, s minus c, that is 7. So here instead of 6, we can write it as 3 times 2, isn't it? So square root of 16, the value is 4. Square root of 3 times 3, the value is 3. And we have only 7 times 2, 14. So that is 12 times 14 square units. So this is area of the quadrilateral equal to area of the ADB, which we have 12 root 14 units, plus area of the DCB, which we have 30 square units. This is the total area of the quadrilateral. That's it. Is it so simple?